gotta look in the mirror, lead with humility, and acknowledge the values that are inherent to, but also above politics. We gotta make choices, make stands, embrace new ideas, and preserve the traditions that can create true progress.
Yo, bro. Yo, what's happening, man? You good?
Yo, bro. I can't take this anymore, man.
What's going on?
Nothing is real in this world, bro. So many fake friends, so many fake families. I'm gonna kill myself.
What?
I'm gonna kill myself.
What are you talking about, man? Nah, man, you're talking crazy now, man.
You would have understand if you're on Facebook and IG, bro.
What are you talking about, man?
Yo, it's everywhere, bro.
Dude, you gotta stop paying attention to these things, man. You gotta turn all this stuff off, man.
You don't get it, bro.
No, that's not how it...
It's everywhere, bro. On TV, Facebook,
No.
YouTube, you name it all, man.
Yo, but don't you think you deserve to live?
I'm sorry, bro. I can't take this anymore, man. Let me go in peace, bro. Let me go in peace.
What are you talking about, man?
Please, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
Yo, no, you gotta... Dude, hold on. Killed himself for real, man. Oh man, can't believe this shit for real. God damn it. Thank God you didn't do it, man. Yo.
The fuck I did do it, bro.
Wait, what? But you're still alive.
I drank it.
What?
Even the fucking poison was fake, man.
Scène 3, take 2, SUICID.
Stand by. Action.
Yo, bro.
Take 3, suicide dish.
Stand by. Action.
Yo, bro, what up? You good? What are they talking about? They talking crazy now, man.